Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME GT Neo 5 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So let's begin with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find System and Update. Then let's tap on Languages and Region and tap on Edit. So here we've been transferred to the full list of available languages from which we can choose. So basically all you have to do is to find your language and then tap on this plus icon next to it. So I'll pick Greek. Your device will immediately ask you whether you want to change the language to a new one. So just tap on yes. Now we can go to the top of the list, and as you can see, our new language has been immediately applied here, and it is also visible here, and from now on the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Of course, if you've got more than one language added here, like I have, you can quickly change them just by tapping on the language you'd like to apply. Tap on confirm or whatever it says, and as you can see, we've got English set. If you want to, you can also remove the languages from this list. Just tap on edit and tap on this minus icon next to the language you'd like to remove. Let's go back, and you've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.